is going to be your Scorpio reading, all that I need to know about your person's soulmate for the next, let's take 6 days. So what's happening? First three cards for you, and then we move to your person. First card we have for you is Two of Wands. So many of you guys could be having options. Okay, you do love someone, however, you could still be at crossroads, like not knowing which path to choose. Okay, if you do not have options, then you guys are deciding whether you should possibly stick by the person you have feelings for, or possibly like go in the direction that you're wanting to go. Okay, no card in terms of what else do you see coming up for Scorpio. Right now with Nine of Pentacles, many of you guys are also wanting to stay focused on your finances. That is staying single, of just staying focused on your growth, your success, your career, wanting to put in your all into the career, so that it starts like benefiting you in the long run. Okay, what else do you see coming up for Scorpio? With Knight of Swords, you do have goals, or you do have a vision where you're wanting to go forward. You have a plan. It's not like you're going to be going with the flow. I don't see you doing that. Okay, you have a plan and you're wanting to go in a certain direction. Okay, say suppose you right now are focused on getting more successful, of finding that success in life coming to your finances, your career, but then you also have shit for someone. Okay, so you're possibly bothered whether you should stay focused on your finances, or finally let go of everything and go and settle and have a family, or maybe go for a relationship. Okay, Scorpios, as much as I know you people, you guys are very much focused. Okay, if you guys are going to go for something, you guys are going to stay focused on it 100%. You can't be doing things like 80 and 20, or 50 and 50, or 40 and 60. It's 100% for everything. Okay, so one more card in terms of your relationship. One card for that, please. Relationship, we have Knight of Cups. So I believe whatever you are a part of, it is mutual. You both have feelings for each other. Okay, so in terms of your person, what are their energy? Right now, your person could be stalking you. You guys might not be in very much talking terms. This person has taken a break from you, or will be taking a break from you for whatever reasons. Okay, one card for their energy towards you at the current moment, please. Ten of Swords. You have done something that has hurt this person a lot. I do not know if even after having feelings for someone, you kind of shut them off, or completely cut them off, or you said something that could have hurt them. But this person is defensive. Even after having feelings for you, they are defensive and they are hurt. Not just defensive, but also hurt. Okay. One more card in terms of how do they think about Scorpio now. Six of Wands. They do want your attention, however. They might be behaving like, I don't want you, and you have hurt me, and you have done this, and you have done that. But they are waiting for your reaction. They are waiting for you to reach out. Okay, one card for their major feelings. Nine of Cups. You are their wish fulfillment, dream come true person. Okay, this might sound very cheesy, but your person is madly in love with you, and if you do not choose them, that's going to hurt them crazy. Okay, one card for their heart space. Right now with Three of Swords in the reverse, say suppose you have hurt them and you have let them down, or you chose a third party over them. I'm just giving you a situation. Okay, not all of you might be in a third party, but if you guys are, if you guys have chosen a third party, some of them might be ready for compromise. Okay, if you guys are wanting to come over and fix things, they will. Okay, one more card in terms of their hate space. With Five of Swords, but in terms of their hate space, that ego, that fear, that anxiety is still blocking them. They are like waiting on you to reach out rather. I don't see this person reaching out, Scorpio, but if you do, they will very much be a part of it. Like actively want to participate. Okay. One card for their major intention. Major intention is to have a family with you. This person wants to grow old with you, have kids, possibly invest long term. Okay, one more card in terms of what are they willing to offer. Right now I don't see them actively coming forward, because some of you, this person might have blocked you, or some of you, this person has stopped communicating. Not everyone is going to be blocked, that sounds crazy, right? But right now there's so much confusion, this person is choosing to stay at a distance. Okay, one card for what are they wanting from you at the current moment. Right now, in Nine of Swords, they are so restless. Nine and nine is all almost that fear of things ending or things will end. Okay, so regardless of what you guys are going through, or what you guys have with each other, this person fears ending. Okay, with Three of Pentacles, they might also fear that you could be choosing someone else over them. Okay, so for now, where do you see things going? One of you has definitely walked away from the other. Okay, one of you has definitely tried to move on. We have Eight of Cups and Eight of Wands, which both mean that you guys are walking away from something. Okay, one card for in terms of the relationship, where do we see that going? I still believe that in spite of having that feelings and everything for each other, this relationship remains at crossroads. Okay, but eventually it's going to go towards marriage. Say suppose you want to get married with this person, then I see that clicking. Truth be told, around December, if not by December, by Feb 2022. Okay, right now you guys might be having your own blockages to deal with, even after having feelings and everything, possibly connecting. I still feel that you guys would not want to choose. Okay, say suppose you have been the one who has chosen to stay away, then I do not see you actively giving into this connection. Okay, if they were the ones who has walked away or possibly given up on you, then I don't see them completely 100% letting off their guard and being open to you. They will take their sweet time. Okay, but they do want this. Okay, in terms of what does Scorpio want, however, right now you might want space. Okay, right now you might not be in that energy or that mindset to make a decision. You want more space. Some of you really have a choice to make. Okay, one last card for where the connection will be going. Okay, in spite of all the feelings and everything that you guys have for each other, you guys could be ghosting each other for a while. Say suppose right now there's no communication happening, then you guys might take some more time to reach out to each other. Okay, if you do not reach out, I'll be very honest with you, this person won't be the one reaching out. Okay, so suppose they have blocked you, then they might have also left one one way, or one app, possibly open to you to reach out. I don't see them blocking you 100%. Okay, they might have kept some options open for you to reach out, but if you are not wanting to reach out, that's fine as well. Okay, you might be having your own things to be dealing with right now, but by end of the month, okay, I still see you guys at crossroads despite having whatever you have for each other. Okay, what are the major blockages? Blockages is decision. Okay, some of you have to make a decision or a choice. You have to let go of something to choose something. Okay, Ace of Swords, communication is something that you need right now. Third is Six of Pentacles. One of you has been actively like giving, and the other person has been receiving. Things are not balanced. Okay, some of you, it could be a third party that is a major blockage. Some of you, it's work. Okay, so this is all I see for Scorpio. If it resonated, kindly hit the like button to let me know in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. If you want a personal reading, do reach out on the website and book one for you. Okay, there's some discount code going. Apply that for 15% off. Thank you so much and hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.